Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we'll talk about a short grammar, this, that, these, and those. So, it's a short grammar, and in this lesson we'll talk about the difference of them and when we use them, okay? So if you don't know when we use them in this lesson, you will understand perfectly and 100%, okay? Just watch this video from beginning till finish. Okay, let's start. So we use them for showing something. Okay, just let's start and you will understand. This, that, these, those. So this and that are singular. Okay, are singular, and these and those are plural, okay? This and that are singular. Singular, it means single, okay? Single, it means one. So, this and those are plural. Plural, it means what? It means more than one, two or more, okay? So, okay, this and those are, here, okay? And here it means near you, okay? Or it's near us. So this and these. This one is this, these, okay? So that, and those, that and those are far away from us, okay? This and these are here near us, but that and those are far away from us, okay? And let's make a sentence with this, okay? So, as we get a marker, so look at that. We said this, look at that, this one. So we said this and these are here near us, okay? So these are singular. Singular, it means one. As we get a marker, one marker, okay? So this is a marker, okay? This is a marker. Why? Because we are using this, but it's one marker. For that one, just this, it's near us. Just that. Look at this one. That is far away from us. That. And that is singular. That is far away from us, okay? That is a marker. That is a marker. Why we are using that? Because that was singular and far away from us for that one. Just these. These is near us here, but it's a plural. We said plural, it means more than one, two or more, okay? These. As we have two markers, but it will be four markers, and these, it's near us, okay? So these are markers, okay? These are markers, because these we said near us, but it's plural. Plural, it means more than one, two or more. So, and those is plural, but it's far away from us. Those. Those are markers. Those are markers. Because we said those is plural, but far away from us, okay? So, if you didn't understand this lesson and it's not clear to understand them, just don't be worried, continue watching, don't skip this video. Look at the picture, in a picture we use with examples and with pictures, and I'll give you a guarantee you will understand 100%. Let's go on to the next page. This is singular. For example, I like this apple. Why we are using this? Because our index finger showing the apple is near us. For that one, we are using this. That is singular. For example, I like that apple. It means the apple is not near us. It's far away from us. Okay? But it's single. We said this and that is singular. We use this and that for only one person, animal, and any other object. These is plural. For example, I like these apples. These, it means near us, but it's not one or single. It's more than one, two or more. Those is plural. For example, I like those apples. It means it's not near us, it's far away from us, but it's more than one, two or more. Okay? What I said you, finally you understood this lesson. So I'm very happy because it was helpful for you. Just if you understood this lesson, just subscribe to my channel and write in my comments if you want some exercise about this one. I will prepare you a short video about exercise, okay? So put a like and turn on the notification for all of my videos. Thanks for watching.